Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best watering wands in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. The Relaxed Gardener Watering Wand. 15 garden hose nozzle sprayer, 8 adjustable spray patterns, and thumb control shutoff valve. Know them the hand strain from trigger-operated nozzles. Our one-touch thumb operated on slash-off switch also adjusts the strength of the water flow. Perfect for people with arthritis or disabilities. The on-and-line hose nozzle you need. The multi-pattern head has the right setting to use for each task. Different settings include mist, flat, full, shower, soaker, cone, center, and stream. No need to switch nozzles between tasks. Strong but gentle. Gentle enough to miss new seedlings. Strong enough to power through a tough cleaning job or wash your car. Water your hanging baskets, clean your bird bath or patio, and then give the dog or cat a bath. Superior performance. Slip-resistant handle and lightweight professional-grade aluminum construction make this wand comfortable to use. Number 2. Green Mount Watering Wand. 16 inches sprayer wand with 8 watering patterns for lawn and garden use. Durable and stable. Slip-resistant handle and lightweight professional-grade aluminum construction make this watering wand comfortable to use. Non-corrosive exterior that ensures strength and durability for extended nozzle life. Adjustable sprayer patterns. Green Mount Garden Hose Wand has 8 adjustable watering patterns: jet, angled, full, soaker, mist, flat, comb, and shower. Use the flat to pressure wash the debris off the patio, the jet to water things across the yard, the soaker to water potted plants, the shower to water the lawn, the mist to water flower beds and seed beds. This spray wand does the entire garden effortlessly. Labor-saving design. At the front bottom of the handle, there is a hold-open clip for continuous spraying without tiring out your hand. This design of the hose wand is perfect for people with arthritis or disabilities. Number 1. Orbit 58674 Z10 Pattern Front Trigger Turret Wand. 1 black. Orbit is North America's premier company for residential watering. With a presence in over 180 countries and 6 continents, we offer the most complete ecosystem of solutions across hose faucet, hose end, underground, drip, mist, and yard protection. For over half a century, we have led the industry in innovative solutions, accumulating over 100 active patents and many industry recognition awards. From PVC lock, blue lock, and drip lock, which are an extraordinarily fast way to connect sprinkler pipe and drip tubing, to our technologically advanced, best-selling Beehive Smart Controllers, we have modernized the industry, set the standard for residential irrigation best practices, and made outdoor watering efficient for households around the world.